Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a deck on Clash Royale. In order to delete a deck in Clash Royale, first of all, go ahead and open up Clash Royale app on your device and make sure that you are inside this main home screen. Once you're in the home screen, go ahead and tap on the tablets kind of an icon at the bottom. This one over here that says collection, and once you're inside, go ahead and select your deck that you want to delete from the menu at the top. Now once you choose the deck that you want to delete, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu on the left corner. In the menu, click on the trash icon and click on OK in order to delete the selected battle deck. And that's how you easily delete a selected deck on Clash Royale. Note that the deck will be permanently removed from your collection, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a deck in Clash Royale. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!